Hi, welcome back to another Teach Me Interactive unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the NX8 4x32x50 rifle scope. So this is a first focal plane scope. And if we take a look in the box here, you can see it has a little message and the warranty information. And then if we start to take out the smaller stuff, got an owner's manual that shows you how to set up everything from windage, your stops, and all of your diopter stuff, including mounting on the scope and proper care. Then we also got some stickers out here. This is to help you adjust the power throw lever, which will help you for quick magnification changes. We're not going to open this up, but this is just all the tools you need in order to help for the power throw lever. And then we have the actual scope. And finally, some Allen keys to help you adjust it, and a nice cleaning cloth with a little clip on there. Just keep it handy for cleaning your lenses. Okay, let's get rid of this packaging and take a look at the scope. So this is a really nice looking, very compact scope. It's pretty hefty. It feels very, very sturdy and well made. All metal, so you don't have to worry about any cheap plastic parts snapping off. Comes with these very useful little built-in lens caps, so you never lose them and you can keep your lenses clean at all times, pretty much. Has some really great feeling turrets as well, to kind of help you click. And then these ones also feel very firm and satisfying in how they turn. As for these turrets, here is your windage adjustment under here. On top, this is how you can set your zero stop. And on the side here is your illumination control for your reticle. The scope comes with a digillium reticle that can actually be turned red or green or just regular, depending on what you prefer. And super easy to adjust. And this specific scope comes with a mil-C reticle. It's a really great scope. It can withstand extreme heat, cold, altitude, rain, mud, whatever, as long as you keep the lenses clean. And you don't really have to take any extra precautions. Just afterwards, clean your scope off and it should be good to go. Very hardy scope. And if we lift up the lens caps here, you can see it has some really outstanding looking glass, super clear, super thick. Looks really great. And now if we bring the ruler over, flip it around, we can see from tip to tail comes in at about 14.5 inches. And if we weigh it up, we can see that it is 1 pound 13 7/8 ounces. So fairly hefty, but overall a really great feeling scope. If you guys one last little look around at it so you can check it out. That was the Nightforce NX8. Thank you for watching.